I just wanna be the greatest.
It's your boy Hi-Fi Vega back again, and this time I'm going to take you on a trip with me. I recently went to Wake the Dead 2021 in Searcy, Arkansas, roughly 3 hours from where I live. It was a really, really good time. Got to meet a lot of people there and got to see a lot of cool rides. So I'm just going to jump in, show you some of the stuff I saw, and maybe I'll let you see a few demos that I got. The first time I actually seen this ride was at the Sundown show, and I didn't get a chance to get any video or a demo of it, but this sucker is loaded with crescendo. It's crescendo orange. It's a pretty cool setup, and let me tell you, it really gets loud. If you get a chance to check this car out in person, you should definitely do it. Next, we're going to check out an enclosure in my buddy Tony Bell's system. This is a really sweet enclosure. I love the custom emblem on top. Very cool. Tony actually owns Boxboy Audio Sound Solutions, so he is the only authorized Hi-Fi Vega wire dealer. So if you're in Arkansas, Hot Springs area, definitely check him out. But this system was super cool, and it gets down, man. So obviously there was a lot of music playing in the background here. I can't play a lot of live audio. I have a few demos where the bass was so loud that you can't really tell what the music is because, you know, copyright stuff, but we'll get to those in a minute. I figured I'd just let you guys know why we don't have live sound on some of these videos. This was by far the most brutal demo that I got at the show. I totally forgot your guys' name, so if you're seeing this video, let me know in the comments and I will shout you out, but this was definitely a sick, sick demo. Of course, I had to stop by the Down for Sound booth and check out all these candy colored amps. Man, they're pretty. I think for a long time the Basshead community kind of got a bad rap for poor installs, and I can tell you, being at this show, over 90% of the installs that I've seen were super clean, really nice wiring, and it was the same way at the Sundown show earlier in the year. So if you're into car audio, definitely check some of these systems out. Go to some of these shows, even if you're not a Basshead, because they're just audio enthusiasts like us. They want to show you the system that they worked so hard to put together, and it's really a good time. Now we're going to check out a few of the vehicles I seen in the car show portion of the base meet. Lots of cool rides there, lots of mini trucks, really dug them. So yeah, let's just check them out. I also got a chance to meet back up with JP and actually meet the Shitting on 'em guys in person. It was a really good time. Next year you should check out Wake the Dead 2022. It'll be a really fun show, I guarantee that. And a special shout out to my wife for going to the show with me and hanging out. I want to give a shout out to all my Patreon supporters, but a special shout out goes to the $6 or more members: 2001 Monolithic, G Nava, Joaquin Juarez, El Fuego, Travis McClendon, Brandon Hanna, William Berg, Boxboy Audio Sound Solutions, Jesus Tires, Dennis Cromwell Jr., Scott Dilbeck, D. Stewart, Aaron Waltz, David Kozlik, Scott McCord, Matthew Tolberg, DBO Bass, and Corey D. For as little as $2 a month, you can join the team and help me reach my first goal of $200 a month so I can do a Patreon exclusive monthly podcast. If any of this sounds interesting to you, check me out at patreon.com/Hi-Fi Vega.